Good Monday morning. It is January 22nd, and there's ice, which may or may not delay our departure this morning. We're headed south today, and we're going to anchor. Looking for warmer weather this week, but we're not starting out too good. Can't leave while it's icy. Look at the frost on Valkyrie this morning. Dock's all frosty. Mark was working on the stern thruster this morning a little bit, and you can see the water when he pushes the button. You can see the displacement here. So apparently it works now. Well, it's 10:30. We've delayed our departure from the Atlantic Yacht Basin this morning due to the ice along the ICW. We just invested quite a bit of money into Valkyrie's bottom. Her underneath all got painted and a few other things, and we do not want to go chipping our way through any ice to take away from what we just had done. It was in the 20s when we woke up this morning. Right now it's about 30, and it is supposed to warm up into the 40s today, so hopefully this ice isn't going to stick around all day. Mark's outside the port side windows, squeegeeing them. They got so water spotted from when he washed the boat the other day. And he literally is just hanging on the side of the boat, holding on with one hand, wiping and squeegeeing with the other. And he's got no harness. His feet are in this tiny, 2 or 3 inch rail. Brave or dumb, I'm not sure, but he does it all the time and hasn't fallen in yet. It'd be a little chilly to be falling in today. This was our neighbor boat here on the dock before we got hauled out. We got Popeye painted on one side, and we got olive oil on this side. Hi everybody, welcome aboard Valkyrie. My name is Cynthia. As I'm sure you can guess by now, watching this video, we did not leave to travel today. We left Atlantic Yacht Basin, but all we did was cross across the canal. We crossed the canal across to the Great Bridge. That sounds horrible. I can't even spit that out. So not everything, of course, goes as planned when you're boating and you are completely reliant on good weather, and we didn't have that today. So basically we did not want to go be our own icebreaker, destroying the fresh paint that we just had put on the bottom of Valkyrie. So we just tied up here to the Great Bridge Battlefield Museum's free dock. They do allow 48 hours free dockage. There's no service here, so we do run our generator while we're here for heat and for cooking. But other than that, we'll hopefully leave tomorrow. You just never know what you're going to get, and we're just going to try to keep everything safe and do the best we can with the circumstances that we have. And cold weather, it's winter, so we just got to run with it. So thanks for tuning in, and hopefully tomorrow is a better, more interesting day. Not every day can be exciting. And so, yeah, I think that's it. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Okay, there's something going on at the Great Bridge, drawbridge. There's a cop car here and a cop car over here, which you can't really see as blue lights behind the tree. They were scheduled to open at 5, and there's a boat waiting on the other side, but it's been a half an hour. I saw the arms go up, I saw the arms go down, I saw the arms go up, I saw the arms go down, and no action from the bridge. But it is 5 o'clock, rush hour traffic, and I'm sure that the cars are backing up. It is Monday, January 22nd, and we are at the Chesapeake, Virginia Great Bridge. And something's wrong. 45 minutes later, and the traffic is moving. Boat traffic will have to wait. Mark heard that there was a car crash on the bridge behind those trees where we can't see.